Let's talk about acupressure and how it can support your self-care. Acupressure is a powerful tool for self-healing that anyone can use. It's about tuning into your body's energy and creating space for it to realign. Unlike deep tissue massage or more intense forms of body work, acupressure works gently with your body's natural rhythms to release tension, improve circulation, restore balance. There are different styles of acupressure, and the style that I practice, inside acupressure, uses a firm yet gentle touch with fingertips on specific points on the body called acupoints. There are no needles. These points correspond to the energy channels or meridians of Chinese medicine that flow through our bodies. When we're stressed, overwhelmed, or experiencing pain, acupressure can help move our energy more freely, recalibrating us back to balance and harmony. You might wonder, how can I use acupressure for self-care? Start by tuning into your body. What are you noticing? Feeling tension in your shoulders or like there's too much on your plate? Maybe you try gallbladder 21 right on top of that big shoulder muscle to release tightness and ease the weight of responsibilities. If you have a headache or a neck discomfort, gallbladder 20 at the base of your skull on both sides of that big neck muscle can help ease pain. Feeling ungrounded or dealing with digestive discomfort? Try stomach 3 on the cheekbone below the eye to center and support digestion. For any of these points, hold one side first and then the other, or both sides at the same time, for a few breaths or until you feel ready to release. When applying pressure, curve gently into the point. Don't press directly with a straight finger or fingers. Think of the curving as leaning into the energy channel instead of forcing or trying to fix something. Be present, breathe, and listen to your body's response. What does it feel like when you press? What sensations arise? Self-care doesn't have to be complicated. Acupressure is a simple, mindful practice that you can easily add to your routine. Whether you're relieving tension, easing stress, or supporting digestion, you can take charge of your own healing. The power is literally in your fingertips. For more helpful acupressure points, check out my YouTube channel. For full acupressure sequences for a variety of symptoms, explore my webinars available on demand on my website at the Wellness Hub. May this serve you, your highest good, and the highest good of all.